Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive straight into how to customize and use Slack's emoji shortcuts, making your messaging faster and more fun. First things first, you need to open your Slack workspace. Look for the name of your workspace on the top left corner of your screen, then click on it. This is important as it gives you access to the workspace's settings and permissions. Now that we've done that, let's move to the next step. Navigate down to Customize Slack. Here's where the magic happens. You're able to upload your favorite emojis and assign shortcuts to them. The reason we do this is to have a personalized workspace and make our messaging experience faster and more enjoyable. Once you've selected Customize Slack, you'll see a new window with a tab that says Emoji. Click on it. Now you'll have the option to add custom emoji. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Slack allows you to upload any image to turn it into an emoji. Click on this option, upload your preferred image, give it a name, and voila, you've got your own custom emoji. Next up, let's assign a shortcut to your new custom emoji. Go back to the Emoji tab and find your newly created emoji. Click on it and you'll see an option to alias. This helps us because by typing this alias into your chat, you can quickly use your new emoji without having to search through the emoji library. Finally, hit save. And just like that, you've customized and created your own emoji shortcut. In conclusion, customizing and using Slack's emoji shortcuts not only adds a personal touch to your workspace, but also speeds up your messaging process. So go ahead and make your Slack communication more interesting and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.